Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma flagged off an ambulance under CMDSF at a function that was held at St. John Whitehall School, Dum Dum, Nongthymmai on the 14th of June 2022. Dignitaries present included MLA of Laitumkhrah, Ampareen Lyngdoh, MDC of Nongthymmai constituency, Latiplang Kharkongor, MDC of Laitumkhrah-Malki constituency, Fantin Joseph Lakadong, and former MLA of Nongthymmai, Jemino Mawthoh. Others who attended the program included the Dorbar Shillong members of Dum Dum locality and the members of the Managing Committee of St. John's Whitehall School, Shillong. Speaking during the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma said that extending support by providing ambulances to different localities is an effort of the government to ensure that small but significant services are given in the healthcare sector. He hoped that the ambulance will be able to save precious lives in the days to come. The Chief Minister also urged upon the community to take care of the asset with a sense of ownership and responsibility.
So request you to.
But it is the message that we are sending as a community, as leaders and as a society towards the purpose and the meaning of really taking this one step forward in ensuring that we're able to make a small but a significant difference in the health services that are being provided in and around Dum Dum area and Shillong city as a whole. Nobody in the world ever expected the COVID to, the pandemic to happen, the kind of difficulties we faced as a government and more importantly as a society. It really taught us a lot of things. And I think the biggest message and the learnings that, the experiences that I could take from these last 2 years of managing, handling and fighting the pandemic is that one person or one organization or the government alone cannot do it. Until and unless we come together as a society, until and unless every single member of the community participates and works together, we will not be able to overcome challenges like these, even in the future. And that's why today, when we give this ambulance, a lot of people may think that why has Chief Minister come for ambulance inauguration? Is this some kind of a political gimmick, as was being mentioned by the Honourable MLA? But absolutely not. Because this is precisely what the message we want to give. That it is ultimately leading to the goal of ensuring that we save lives. The goal is to ensure that we are able to give the service, even that 1 minute difference that is there. As we say, seconds and minutes matter. So when it comes to a life, all of us know that for a patient, even a second matters, even a minute matters. And therefore, this ambulance, I'm sure, will be something that is going to help the community and the locality and the people in general to save lives in the coming days.
While addressing the gathering, the MLA of Laitumkhrah, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, urged upon the locality of Dum Dum to adopt good practices that will nurture, maintain and ensure that the ambulance will serve the people with love, compassion and commitment.
We had tried our level best to ensure that the people of this area are served adequately with all the essential amenities. And it was indeed a great pleasure for me to also lend a helping hand in ensuring that the attention flagged by the community of Dum Dum for the urgent requirement of an ambulance was brought to the immediate attention of our Honourable Chief Minister. This vehicle will not just serve, but serve with love, with commitment, with dedication